all about comfort. The best of the best cozy living spaces are inviting, warm and versatile enough to cater to any type of gathering, from game night with the family to a solo Netflix binge-watching session. There's nothing better than coming home after a long day and settling down into a comfy, cozy living room, particularly if you live in a cold climate. During the winter months many of us tend to hide indoors and wait for the weather to pass. Fortunately, creating a cozy living room that's warm and welcoming, like this one form-lit construction, is pretty easy. It's all about warm colors, soft fabrics and surrounding yourself with things that make you happy. You need more than a sofa if everyone's going to get comfy cozy. Include other cozy living room furniture like accent chairs to give the whole family a space to curl up and relax. Chairs offer flexibility to adjust the arrangement depending on your mood or the activity. Whether it's to indulge in your movie night spread or an impromptu wine tasting, your coffee table says a lot about the atmosphere of your living room. Make sure it screams cozy living. Use it to hold books and candles on top or blankets underneath.